You ever notice how some people start acting different when you finally start winning? Maybe they used to be your biggest cheerleader, but now they seem distant. Or they congratulate you, but their words feel hollow, like there's something lurking underneath. It's not just in your head. Some people don't actually want to see you succeed. They smile in your face, but deep down, they resent your progress. And the worst part, they will never admit it. So how do you know if someone secretly hates your success? Today, we're breaking down 5 signs that someone's not as happy for you as they pretend to be. And trust me, once you recognize these signs, you'll never unsee them. Let's start with the first one. Compliments. Feel. Or ever had someone say, "Wow, I never thought you'd make it this far. Look at you, finally doing something with your life." That's amazing. Must be nice to have that kind of luck. Sounds like a compliment, right? But something feels wrong. Like it has a hidden message inside it? That's because it does. People who secretly hate your success can't bring themselves to give you a genuine compliment. It physically hurts them to acknowledge that you're doing better than before. So instead, they disguise their jealousy as a compliment with a catch. It's like they're trying to support you and bring you down at the same time. And if you ever call them out, "Oh, I was just joking. You're being too sensitive. I meant it in a good way." No, they didn't. A real compliment feels uplifting. It doesn't leave you questioning yourself afterward. If someone's praise always has a hidden jab, they're not rooting for you. They're tolerating your success. And that's just the beginning. 2. They downplay your achievements, ever excitedly tell someone about your success, only for them to brush it off like it's no big deal. "I finally got that promotion I've been working for." Them, "Oh, cool, well, everyone gets promoted eventually." Oh, do they? Or let's say you start a business from scratch, putting in months, maybe years of effort. And instead of acknowledging the hard work, they say, "Well, anyone can start a business. You're lucky things worked out." I mean, it's not that hard if you have the right connections. Notice a pattern? They refuse to acknowledge the work behind your success. They act like what you've done is easy, common, or even undeserved. Why? Because deep down, it bothers them that you did it and they didn't. If they admit your success is impressive, then they have to face the uncomfortable truth that they could have done something too, but didn't. So instead of saying, "Wow, I respect that," they say, "Yeah, it's not a big deal." They want to believe your success is random because then they don't have to ask themselves why they are not growing. And this insecurity brings us to the next sign. 3. They try to one-up you. You know those people who just can't let you have a moment? You share a win and suddenly they have to talk about something they did just to shift the spotlight back to them. "I finally hit my savings goal." Them, "Oh yeah, I just bought a house, no big deal." "I started my own business." Them, "I was thinking about doing that too, but I'm aiming for something way bigger." They weren't going to mention their big achievement before, but the moment you start winning, suddenly they need to remind you that they're still ahead. This isn't a coincidence. They're in a silent competition with you, one that you never even signed up for, because in their mind, your success isn't something to. Then they might do the opposite. 4. They disappear when you win. Some people love being around when you're struggling. They give advice, they offer support, they check in on you all the time. But the moment you start thriving, poof, gone. Suddenly, they're too busy. Suddenly, they don't check in. Suddenly, they're off social media, except they're still liking other people's posts. And here's why. Some people enjoy being the one who helps you when you're down. It makes them feel needed, maybe even superior. But when you don't need their pity anymore, when you actually start winning, that messes with their identity. Because now they have to accept that you're no longer the struggling underdog they once comforted. And if you are rising, that means they might not be as high up as they thought. Real friends celebrate with you. Fake friends disappear. And that silence, it speaks louder than words. 5, they secretly hope you fail. This one is the hardest to accept. But if someone secretly hates your success, they want to see you fall. Not openly, of course. They won't say it. But you'll feel it. They bring up every possible risk. They highlight every flaw in your plan. They constantly remind you that things might not last. And if something does go wrong, oh, they won't say they're happy, but watch their face. There's a tiny smirk, a hint of satisfaction, a look that says, see, I knew it. Because in their mind, your failure proves that you were never really ahead of. They don't want you to be better. They want you to be equal or worse. But here's the truth. The truth about success and envy, success doesn't change you. It just reveals who was really in your corner all along. Some people will love you when you're struggling, but hate you when you grow. Not because you did anything wrong, but because your growth reminds them of their own stagnation. So, if you notice these signs, don't waste energy trying to prove yourself to them. Keep winning, keep evolving, and let their silent jealousy be its own punishment. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out the next one on the screen, where we talk about how to deal with jealous people without losing your mind. What if you're the one who hates someone else's success? All right, we've talked about the signs that someone else secretly hates your success. But let's be brutally honest for a second. What if you are the one who struggles with someone else's achievements? Most people will never admit it, because let's face it, jealousy is ugly. No one wants to be the bitter person who secretly resents their friend, sibling, coworker, or classmate for doing well. But here's the thing, it happens to everyone. Even the most successful, confident people still feel pangs of envy when they see someone else winning. It's human nature. The real question is, what do you do with that feeling? Because jealousy is like fire. You can either let it burn you or use it to fuel something better. So let's flip the script and talk about 5 signs you might secretly hate someone else's success and how to turn that into something powerful instead. When you downplay their achievements in your head, be honest when you hear about someone's success. Do you immediately start looking for reasons why it's not that impressive? Oh, he only got that promotion because he sucks up to the boss. She's only making money because she got lucky on social media. They had it easy. If I had their resources, I'd be just as successful. This is classic envy in disguise. Instead of recognizing their effort, your brain tries to make their success seem smaller. Why? Because admitting they earned it makes you question why you haven't achieved the same thing. And that's uncomfortable. But here's the problem. Downplaying someone else's success doesn't bring you any closer to winning. It just keeps you stuck. The solution? Flip your thinking. Instead of asking, why them? Ask, how did they do it? What skills did they build? What habits do they have? What choices did they make that you could learn from? Because when you stop judging their success and start studying it, that's when everything changes. 2, you feel irritated when they talk about their wins. Let's say a friend, coworker, or family member shares good news. Maybe they got a raise, hit a milestone, or achieved something big. And instead of feeling happy for them, you feel annoyed. You pretend to be supportive, but deep down, you're thinking, oh, can they just shut up about it already? You feel a weird sense of anger, even though they didn't do anything to hurt you. You catch yourself rolling your eyes whenever they talk about their accomplishments. This is a big red flag that envy is creeping in. But here's what's really happening. It's not their success that bothers you. It's the fact that their success is making you feel behind. It's like a mirror showing you what you wish you had. But instead of avoiding that feeling, use it. The next time someone's success makes you uncomfortable, don't ask, why are they always bragging? Ask yourself, why is this triggering me? What do I actually want that I don't have yet? What's stopping me from going after it? Jealousy is just a sign pointing to something you want. Instead of letting it make you bitter, let it guide you. 3D3. You secretly hope they fail. This is the hardest one to admit. But if someone's success really gets under your skin, you might catch yourself hoping they don't make it too far. Maybe you feel a little too satisfied when you hear they're struggling. Maybe you find yourself saying, see, I knew it wouldn't last. Maybe you keep looking for proof that they aren't as great as they seem. If you've ever felt this, even for a second, don't panic. It doesn't mean you're a bad person, it just means you're human. But here's the thing. Wishing for someone else to fail does nothing to help you succeed. If anything, it just keeps you stuck in the same place while they keep moving forward. So instead of hoping they fall, ask yourself, why does their success feel like a threat? Because the truth is, there's more than enough success to go around. Someone else winning doesn't mean you're losing. If anything, it proves that success is possible. And if they can do it, so can you. 4. You make excuses for why you're different. Have you ever looked at someone successful and thought, yeah, but they had connections. They don't have the responsibilities I do. If I had their resources, I'd be winning too. These thoughts feel valid, but they're actually just mental defense mechanisms. Because if you convince yourself that their success was only possible because of external advantages, then you don't have to face the fact that you could be doing more. But here's the truth. Yes, some people have advantages. Some people start ahead. That's life. But making excuses won't change that. The only question that matters is, what can you do with what you have? Because if you spend your energy resenting someone else's opportunities instead of maximizing your own, you'll stay exactly where you are. 5, you feel stuck while they keep growing. Here's the final, most painful sign. If someone else's success makes you deeply frustrated, it's probably because you feel like you're not growing the way you want to. It's not really about them, it's about you. You see them moving forward while you feel stuck in place. And that feeling sucks. But the worst thing you can do is stay in that frustration. Because being stuck is a choice. The difference between people who resent success and people who create success is simple. Successful people use jealousy as fuel. Instead of sitting in frustration, they ask, what actions can I take today? What skill do I need to develop? Who can I learn from instead of envying? And then they start moving, even if it's slow, even if it's messy, even if it's uncomfortable. Because the only way to stop feeling left behind is to start catching up. How to turn jealousy into motivation. So if you've caught yourself feeling jealous, envious, or even bitter about someone else's success, Don't beat yourself up, but don't ignore it either. Use it. When you feel jealous, ask, what does this tell me about what I want? When you feel annoyed, ask, how can I use this as inspiration instead of resentment? When you feel stuck, ask, what is one small step I can take today? Because here's the truth. There's nothing wrong with feeling jealousy. What matters is what you do with it. You can let it eat you alive, or you can let it drive you to become better. And if you want to keep leveling up, check out the next video on the screen. It's all about building unstoppable confidence so you never feel threatened by success again.